This Facilitators Centre was launched early February 2021, and this center works on the model of learn, do and teach. So what it means is, as part of the Preetha's coaching course, we have been learning so many techniques of self-reliance, and we have been implementing those techniques in our day-to-day life. And now is the opportunity for us to share the knowledge, information, experiences to a bigger group, thereby leading this community towards a larger goal of self-reliance.
Here we follow a code of honor. As a community, we follow a set of rules, simple, powerful rules that govern our internal behavior of the community. The codes we follow in this community are: respect means that you accept somebody for who they are. The next code of honor is sharing. The third one is commitment. The fourth one is integrity. Then abundance. And lastly, the inner self, inner silence. That is, though it is noisy outside, yet you can access the quiet inside.
My name is Aparna and I am almost 6 months in this community. The reason for joining this community is to fully tap into my potential.
I am Vinita. I am part of this group for more than 6 months. The sessions which Preetha is doing and the content which she is sharing with us, it is really helping in such a way that to align myself in a positive way.
I am Nagasrinivas. I have been the first one to join Preetha's Hub. I am learning from everybody in this group, including Anusha, Chaya, Ode, Jyoti, everyone. Everyone keeps us inspiring and everyone keeps us to go further forward for our mission, which is empowering 100,000 women.
My name is Anusha Pudukot. I've been in this community for about 3 to 4 months. For me, it's been really a learning curve in terms of being grounded and being focused on my priorities.
Here we talk about the topic prioritizing. Coming to the what, that is, what is prioritizing? It means prioritize what matters most to achieve the maximum productivity and to accomplish more in our life.
We start off with a topic that is know your PFC. Why is the PFC important? The PFC, or the prefrontal cortex, actually helps people to set and achieve goals. This is the last major region of the brain to develop during human evolution. It is also called as the Goldilocks of the brain because everything needs to be just right for the PFC to function properly.
Coming to the topic, I'm going to cover the topic which is get order and information on stage.
Today I'm going to take Brainathon challenge Nugget limbic system. This is the structure and agenda of today. The main thing which limbic system is, it is a large brain network. Almost 80% of the network is of limbic system. Actually, limbic system includes brain regions and it is the emotional experience and emotional relationship. And without complete limbic system, human brain cannot have basic functionalities.
The topic that I would be sharing is about maintaining status, how we can overcome it. So social status is actually a measurement of social value. So it refers to the level of respect, honor, and competence that an individual has in the society.
I want to give 5 tips for better facilitation on a digital platform. How do you learn that art of engaging people? 5 tips. The first tip is assume that people don't know anything. We were trained keeping in mind that no one will attend your session. And still we are supposed to continue to the session from beginning to end with all the energy. Second thing, have support from each other before, during, after. The third thing is plan. We need to plan our engagement. In a digital world, it is very easy to get into a lecture mode. We don't know what the other person is doing the other side. So we need to plan for engagement. Fourth one is You need to have a contingency plan. If people are not engaging, what will you do? Even if there is no participation, please understand that you are watched.
This is Anusha. After joining Preetha's community, I've changed quite a bit and I'm challenging myself to think, to get away from those limiting beliefs and to challenge myself to provide value, add value to the team. In the past 2-3 months, I've seen a lot of difference in my team itself.